Hey guys, I tested a bunch of soldering microscopes and wrote reviews on my site. But here we'll quickly go through the top 10 best ones from AliExpress. Number 1. Have DM9 Digital Microscope, large 7-inch IPS screen, 1200 times magnification, 12 megapixels camera, $76. Second place. Andonstar Digital Microscope, 7-inch IPS screen, 1200 times magnification, 16 megapixels resolution, rotatable screen, $38. Third. Elicliv Flex 5 Digital Microscope, 5-inch IPS screen, 1000 times magnification, flexible gooseneck arm, strong lighting, compact design, $53. Fourth. Jusen Microscope, 7-inch IPS screen, 1200 times magnification, 5 megapixels, versatile stand, good for electronics, $45. Fifth. Tomlov Digital Microscope, 4.3-inch IPS screen, 1600 times magnification, high resolution, tiltable screen, $31. Sixth. Bisemi Digital Microscope, 4.3-inch IPS screen, 1600 times magnification, strong lighting, compact for detailed work, $37. Seventh. Kinda Digital Microscope, 4.3-inch screen, 1000 times magnification, built-in lighting, affordable and reliable, best budget, $33. Eighth. Have Digital Microscope, 7-inch HD screen, 1200 times magnification, bright display, great for long soldering sessions, $49. Ninth. Tomlov Digital Microscope, 4.3-inch screen, 1000 times magnification, portable design, good lighting, solid for inspection, $35. And 10th. Elicliv Digital Microscope, 7-inch HD screen, 1200 times magnification, premium build, advanced lighting, excellent for pro repair, $80. All links to these soldering microscopes are in the video description. Detailed reviews, pros and cons for each model are on my website. Thanks for watching.